What's up, guys? Today we're actually going to be working on the TC again, and this video is kind of just going to be a day in the life. I'm just going to show you some stuff. It's not really a specific video about anything I'm going to do. I actually, on my way home, I actually lost one of my lug nuts in the rear, so I went ahead and got some more. This is just the same brand lug nuts as my wheels are, and as you can see, they're the M12 by 1.5s. But anyway, these lug nuts, they're pretty good, but I'm wanting to get some because, as you can see, this is what they look like on the car after a while. They start looking dingy and stuff. So if you guys know a really good brand of lug nuts in black that really don't fade and that, you know, have lasted you guys like a couple years, like you have tested them, just let me know, because I'm definitely looking to get some better lug nuts. I don't care if they're like the closed in or if they're like the tuner lugs, just as long as they don't fade like how these have. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my car up on the little wood ramps that I made so I can get the jack underneath. I'm going to jack up the driver's side, put the lugs on, and then do the same on the passenger side. And I'll just put you guys in the back and we'll do a time lapse.
What we do here is go back.
Okay guys, we'll take a quick break. I was going to show you guys the difference. So these have been on the car probably about a year. This is what they look like. They probably are only been taken off maybe 3 or 4 times. So I figure, I know there'll be rust like in between right here because it'll cut the paint off when you put them on. And then here's what the new ones look like. So you can kind of see how much they've faded. But anyway, guys, again, if you know a better brand or a brand that the coating will last longer and they'll look shiny, just let me know. Put it down in the comments, and I'll definitely check out getting some of those.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Okay guys, so now the new lug nuts are on. As you can see, they look a lot better now. The wheels are dirty right now, but anyway, so now I'm going to go ahead, and the other problem I'm having right now is I think one of my bulbs is going bad because it's like a clear white color, and then my other one's like a yellow. They're supposed to be the 3000K. So I'm going to go ahead and go under and pop this little panel out, pull this one out, and then switch them and see if the ballast is bad or the bulb's bad, but I do have replacements. So we'll go ahead and we'll fix that, and I'll go back and I'll look up the torque specs on the wheels, and I'll definitely go to the torque specs so I don't lose a lug nut again. But anyway, so let's go ahead and get into that. Okay guys, so now I'm underneath, and as you can see, so on a TC you can actually undo the bolt here, here, and back here, and this piece will actually pop out because this is like your inner fender well lining, I guess. And once that pops out, then you can push the fog lights out. So I'm going to go ahead and undo those 3 bolts and go ahead and push the fog light out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now I went ahead and I pulled both fog lights out. Now I'm just going to switch them and see if it's the bulb or the ballast. So if I put this one over here and it was yellow before, and then it's yellow over here, then I know it's just the bulb. But now if that light comes over here and it's still yellow, and then I put this one up here and it's white, then I know it's the ballast going bad. So let's go ahead and we'll switch them up and hook them up, and I'll show you guys the result. Okay guys, so as you can see, this one over here is still yellow, so that lets me know that the ballast is okay on this side, that it's just the bulb getting ready to go bad. And as you can see out here, see how this one's kind of wider, and you can actually tell that this one's casting out a little bit more light. I know they're just hanging down, and if you look really close right here, I don't know if you guys can see in the camera or not. Yeah, you can't, but the bulb is actually like flickering. So I think that this bulb's bad. So we'll go ahead and we'll put a new bulb in both of them, because I do have new bulbs for both, and just so they'll both be switched at the same time. But anyway, so there's that problem fixed. So let's go ahead and put the bulbs in. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled out the old bulb, and it actually looks like it's kind of getting really hot and melting a little bit. I don't know if like 3K bulbs, because I know that that's the temperature, I don't know if they run hotter than like 6Ks or something like that. But anyway, so here's what the bad bulb looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of the new ones in, and then I'm actually going to put the other new one on the other side. But anyway, I think I'm going to go ahead and order some 6K so it'll actually match my headlights. So I was just kind of running the yellow in the wintertime because there's more like fog and stuff like that, and it's really hard to see with just 6K. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then I'll show you guys me putting them back in. Alright, so I went ahead and I got everything buttoned back up. I actually went ahead and checked them before I put all the bolts back, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys the main part. So we'll go ahead and we'll turn them on. And I've already checked them once, so they should be good. So as you guys can see now, we'll look at my pants. So they're both yellow now, and this one's the same color. So now we're good and fixed. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tighten the bolts down, because I just kind of hand tightened them up, and then we'll be good, and I'll go ahead and close out the video. Alright guys, so everything's tightened back down. We went ahead and put the torque specs on the wheels. But anyway guys, just let me know what you thought about this kind of day in the life video. I know it was a little different. There wasn't like a specific thing. Just let me know what you think about it, because I can do these more often than just trying to find something to do like specific for you guys. But anyway, peace out. I'll see you guys next time. Just make sure you subscribe down below, like this video, and leave comments.